Hello, thank you for stopping by. I'm Anna Marie and today I have a really good and very quick video for you. However, this video, in my opinion, it's really magical, okay? Now, and that's because of this lovely product which is called Spiegel, so that's a mirror spray. Now, with this product, okay, you can apply it using the spray bottle onto literally your glass, your plastic, your card, any surfaces that you would like to achieve a metallic effect. But because this is a mirror spray, you can actually create your own mirror effects, and you can actually see these samples here. Each one was created simply by transferring this product, okay, from the bottle onto the spray bottle. But before you do that, all you need to do is just shake it really well. Okay, you can hear the ball bearing inside of the bottle. So what you have to do is also transfer that ball into the spray bottle as well. Okay. So this is a brand new bottle, and I'm just going to open that up for you. And this is the mini spray bottle. You're actually getting 2 in a pack. So you can see they're very nice and small. And all you're doing now is pour it from one bottle to the next. And you heard the ball bearing going inside as well. Okay, that's all you need to do for now. And now just close the bottle. Now I'm going to show you very quick techniques how to actually achieve beautiful, luxurious, very professional home decor effects on your glass. Okay, so we have the spray here. We also have a little jar in here. Okay, and what I will also show you is a quick technique using a bubble wrap. Okay, now so when you're using this spray, you're actually only using tiny amounts. And obviously you will also require a heat tool, which is just here. Now, you can create a solid effects like a mirror would have, or you can create beautiful pattern effects just like so, really see-through, which actually that's what I prefer as well. So you can see the beautiful sort of like 3-dimensional light showing through. Okay, so I'm going to show you 2 ways, and the first way is basically spraying inside of your bottle, okay, just like so, and using a heat tool, heat it. Now you will probably see that from a silver, this technique is becoming into metallic. Isn't this beautiful? Already you can see the lovely spray obviously on the glass, fantastic, but we can add a little bit of texture as well. So I'm just going to spray a little bit more inside here and here and here. So I'm going to heat it again. Right, so you can see this beautiful, even look of very professional sort of home decor look. Now, but what you could also do, you can actually add a pattern. And these are the little see-through elements that you see on these jars here, okay? Now, to create a pattern, you need a bubble wrap. And I'm just going to spray one more time here, just on one side, and take the bubble wrap and literally stipple that a little bit onto the wet area. So you can see 2 different effects in one jar. That's it. So that is being cooked. You can see the shade showing through, which obviously you can pop little things inside and you will actually see them, okay, just like so. Okay, so they're shining through. Now you can also do the actual top of this jar. And if you wanted to do solid, you would just heat it as it is now. If you wanted to have a little pattern like so, use the bubble wrap yet again. And then we're just going to heat it. And you can see how beautifully the color is changing. There you go. So that is beautiful. That's how quick it is. Literally, you can transform any ordinary jar into something beautiful and home decor. But of course, we have a bigger jar here as well. And the same principle applies. So you can spray it on the outside, but literally for the best effect that the mirror spray can give you, you need to spray from inside out. But I would like to show you as well this example where I've actually sprayed it outside of my jar and then applied this clear protective lacquer on top of it. But that's something that I will mention in a minute. Okay, so let's just do this huge vase here. And then I'm just going to use the bubble wrap again. So you can apply layer on top of layer if you like. So you're stippling that before you actually cook it. Okay, so I hope you can see on the outside the metallic showing through. Well, at this point, if you thought that's not enough, you want more, of course, you can just spray a little bit more. Okay, and use your bubble wrap again. Or if you wanted to add solid look on top of your texture, you could just keep the bubble wrap from this. There you go. So one more time you can see how beautiful this technique is, and absolutely, in my opinion, magical. But just one more time I'm going to spray so you can see 3 layers, and basically that is just for you to see how well you could build the effects. Okay, so this is my 3rd spray layer. Okay, and then hit it again. Fantastic. Well, I hope you will agree this is just truly magical. And what you need for that purpose, you need this lovely product, which is clear gloss. Okay, and basically you can apply 1 coat or 2 coats, entirely up to you. But if you have something that you will be using for, let's say, I don't know, putting your sweeties inside your jar, anything that will have a close relation or connection to your food, then basically you do want to actually seal it with something. And this is something that I applied here in this globe. This is like 2 layers of my clear coat. But how do you apply it? So this is already clear liquid, and all you need is basically a brush, just soft brush, just make it a little bit, load your brush, and then very gently just paint it on the inside. Right, leave each layer to dry and then apply another layer. So you can actually build your thickness as much as you like, and your mirror spray will be secured and protected. Well, I do hope that you are inspired by this product, because I absolutely love it. It's just so versatile and so quick for your home decor projects. But as I mentioned earlier, if you do want a metallic silver effects, you can actually apply it onto your card, your MDF, and in this case you could apply it onto rusty patina. Now, so obviously the bottom of my jar was obviously mirror spray, and then I actually coated all of that from this point down with this product, clear coat. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you would like to see this product, you can find it on our website, annamariedesigns.co.uk. You can visit our Facebook, and I see you again very soon. Bye-bye.